Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I'm hearing.
Okay. So how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great, ma'am. And you?
Yeah, I'm doing good too. Thanks for asking. So did you have time to open the session material for today?
Yeah, I have opened,
Hello, can
and
you hear me?
there is. Yes, yes, ma'am. Can you hear me properly? I'm visible and hearing properly too.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. I have seen the session material also. So there is a topic of traveling something.
Yeah. Okay. So would you like to continue with the topic? Do you like the topic?
Yeah, I like.
So what do you do? Are you working?
Yes, ma'am. I'm working in HR recruitment, ma'am.
Okay. That is pretty good. So do you
Yes.
like to travel?
Yes, yes. I love to travel, ma'am.
Okay. So you travel for work or do you like traveling for personal reasons or for leisure?
Yeah, I just not personal. Whenever I get time, I just go to travel, and so it has been 6 year. I have been working last 6 year.
For the
So
last 6 years.
yes, yes, for last 6 year. So whenever I get time, I just go to travel. Not much, but yeah, I'm a travel lover. In future, I will travel something. And recently, I went in Uttarakhand, and
When to?
yes, yes, I went Uttarakhand.
Okay. How was the experience?
The experience was good. I have seen so many places there, and I am. I went alone there, so there is
You
no
went
one with
alone.
me.
So it was a solo trip.
Yes, yes, yeah. It's solo trip. Yeah, right.
How
Yes.
long did it take for you to reach Uttarakhand by then?
So I have taken 7 day leave. But yeah, I just traveled 2 to 3 places there. Only Nainital, Rishikesh, and Haridwar. So all are very famous place in Uttarakhand.
Okay.
I hope, ma'am, you must have heard about Kedarnath also. Kedarnath,
Yes.
have you heard, ma'am?
Yes, yes. It is Delhi. Is it raining or something in Delhi?
Not raining. Now is good here too, and in a day there is very good sunshine also. In
Oh,
morning and in evening there is some like cold something. Otherwise, is good.
okay. So winters haven't started here properly. We are facing in these weather conditions, weather problems. So climate change and all. So due to the cyclone that took place near Tamil Nadu somewhere, our place was also quite affected because of that. So not the cyclone directly, but due to
Mhm.
that, the weather was quite gloomy. So we thought that the winters have started, but then suddenly the weather changed, and for the past 3 to 4 days, the weather has been very gloomy. It feels like it's going to rain at any point in time. So the
Okay.
network also, I don't know why
Okay,
the
ma'am. So
network is
you are
pretty.
from South area, ma'am? South side?
No, I'm not from South. I'm from Mumbai. But
Mumbai.
coastal region, no, so Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, everything. So when the cyclone in one
Right, right,
part of
right.
it, we get
Mm-hmm.
affected. Yeah, it's
I
always
got
the
it, ma'am.
case that. Yeah. So okay. So would you like to say something more about your trip? What about the food and all, and what kind of places do you like to visit when you go for a trip, like
Yes,
religious
yes.
places, historical places, or what kind of places?
Right, ma'am. So there is some like historical places. I'm very devotee type of person. So I would like to go in
Okay.
temple only.
Oh.
So whenever I go, so I just try to go in where it is famous temple or something. So Uttarakhand, it's called Devbhumi. So there
Yeah.
are a lot of like there are a lot of gods are live there. So it is also Haridwar. It is also part of that, and Kedarnath. It is also part of
So
that.
rich in flora and fauna, you can say.
Which and flora and flora.
Yeah. So I've heard that the roads there are pretty scary and they are not very developed. So a lot of landslides take place and accidents take place. So how was your experience regarding that? Do you find it safe traveling there?
Yes, ma'am. For me, too is fine because I'm totally aware about the places, and if you are new for Uttarakhand, maybe you can face some problem there. But
Mm-hmm.
for me, it's fine. I know the culture of there, Uttarakhand. There is no like a scary type of. Everything is fine there.
Oh, okay. So this time you traveled solo, but how do
Yes,
you
yes, yes.
usually travel if you want to travel somewhere with your friends or family?
Yeah, I would like to go alone only, ma'am. I just
You
like
like solo traveling?
yes, yes, only solo travel because I
Don't you
just
get
want to.
bored?
Why, ma'am?
Don't
Sorry,
you
ma'am.
get bored?
No, no, no. I travel with my friend also, and I travel with family also. But I find when you go alone, so it is a good because you need to see if you are living, if you are going with your family, so you need to see everywhere. Like you need to manage. You can't like hold your mind, and if you want to do something, you can't do with your family. If you are going with your friends, so there are a lot of things with your friend also, but in
Adjustments and
alone,
all.
right, ma'am. But if you are going alone, so whatever do you want to do, you can do. It is
Okay.
totally up to you, and that is the reasons I like solo trip, ma'am. And
Okay.
in future, I planned also because I just want to visit all over India. It is my
Mm-hmm.
dream too, ma'am. I just want to live culture of there, especially in South area. I just want to go.
It's I've heard that the south part of India, it's very pretty.
Right, 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 ma'am.
Kanyakumari, Kerala, and all those
Kerala.
places.
Right, right,
Yeah.
ma'am. And there are two good places in Bangalore also.
Mm-hmm. Ooty too. It comes in the south again. Ooty. It
Right, right, right.
comes in Tamil
I
Nadu. Yeah.
have heard about Uti
Yeah.
also.
So it's also a hill station,
Right, ma'am.
one of the very well-known hill stations. So what about the eastern parts, northeast parts, and all? Have you been to any of those places? Would you want to
Eastern
go
part,
there?
ma'am. Yeah, yeah. I have also visited Himachal Pradesh because
Mm-hmm.
you can say ki Himachal it is beauty of India. We can say too
It's
because all
paradise.
right, right. It's paradise. Thank you, ma'am. So in Himachal Pradesh, I recently went there. In Kullu Manali, I went there, and
Shimla?
there are some. Yes, yes, Simla, right, ma'am. I was in 10th class. I went with my family there. So
Okay. So you went
I'm
like
not aware about
long back.
the places there. Just I have seen there some places, Kullu Manali or something. There is my, you can say cousin
Okay, so
is
you
live
maybe
there.
not. Okay.
I have just
Mm-hmm.
see, I just want to go there also
So
alone.
what do you recollect about it? What do you remember about it? Some memories that you have regarding that trip, and you still remember those things. Something that you did there. Did you do river rafting there?
Rafting to no, ma'am. I didn't do. I do in Rishikesh river rafting. Not in.
Okay.
I just went for I think marriage something. I didn't remind anything about that because it's too long.
Okay,
It
so you
has
went for a
been.
wedding.
Right, right, ma'am. His wedding. I went there.
Okay.
Yeah, I went in Jaipur
So,
also, and Delhi part I visited all the places because I have been living last
how was
6 year
your trip
here.
to Jaipur? Yeah.
Jaipur, yeah, I went there like office party. You can say office trip. Sorry, I went with office trip. So
Okay.
there are
So like a
my
professional. Yeah.
yes, yes, yes. So we leave. We went Hawa Mahal there, and 2 to 3 places more we visited
You
to.
went to
Yes, we went to
you went to Hawa Mahal, right?
right
So
Hawa
I
Mahal. Yes.
also I think we can't enter inside the Hawa Mahal, right? We can just see it from the outside, no? You're not allowed to go inside the Hawa Mahal, right?
No, no, no. I went there. I visited all the. There
Can we
are
go inside the Hawa
yes,
Mahal? I haven't
yes.
seen anybody going inside. Don't they allow you to click pictures? Because nobody posts pictures from the inside part of it. It's
I
always
don't
from the
know,
outside.
ma'am. I made some video there too. I don't know about that. Maybe I didn't visit inside the door, but I visited all the things there. It's allowed, ma'am. I don't know. I'm not aware about it.
Okay,
I
so
take the
oh,
picture.
okay. So what all places did you visit there? There's Jal Mahal too, right? Did you go there?
Hawa Mahal, and there is one
Dal Mahal.
famous market there also. And we lived in cave something. There is
Yeah.
cave, or we there is swimming pool also. We visited only 2 to 3 days. So
Mm-hmm.
not much. We like walk there. We just spend it 2 to 3 days
You
there
have to
only.
wait for a long time there.
Yes,
You're spent 2 to 3 days
yeah,
there.
yes. We
Okay.
spend it only two to
So
three
how
days
did you
only.
travel there? By train or by flight?
By bus only. We booked.
Okay, by bus only. So
Yes.
how
Delhi
long
to.
does it take to reach Jaipur by bus?
It is maximum takes 6 hours, ma'am. Not much. And in every hour,
Oh my God, it's that close. So Rajasthan is that close to Delhi. I mean, it just takes
yes.
6 hours to reach Jaipur from bus. Mhm.
Maximum
That is
five six
good.
hour.
I'll just give you a quick feedback.
Right,
Otherwise,
ma'am. Right.
the network issues and the timing will, yeah, create a
Hmm.
mess again. So when you say, when you talk about traveling, you don't say, I go to travel there. I
Okay.
go to travel. Yeah, it's either like I went there, I went to Uttarakhand, or I traveled to Uttarakhand. It's not I go to travel, it's just I travel.
Right, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, you can't use go to there. Okay, again, so
Okay.
when we talk about infinitives and articles, you have to get a knowledge of infinitives, and you have to get knowledge of infinitives and articles. Now what are
Okay.
infinitives? The use of to, it's an infinitive, and
I
articles
got it,
are
ma'am.
a, an, and the. So you say went in Uttarakhand,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
it's
I
went to Uttarakhand.
went to Uttarakhand. Right, ma'am.
Also, it's common for all the places. So when you go somewhere, it's like went to this place, went to this palace, went to this market. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it's not in the market. So when you are somewhere, and then at that point in time the article will change. But when you're mentioning places like these, like I went there, so
Mm-hmm.
it will be two. Then okay, so that is the feedback that I will want to give you. Articles and infinitives, you have to work on these, work a
Sure,
little
ma'am.
harder on. Also sometimes I didn't take a note of this now, but sometimes you end up using words that are not suitable in that particular sentence.
Mm-hmm.
I should have taken a note of the earlier sentence that you used, so I could give you an example, but I missed out on that. But just
Okay.
make sure that you work on tenses, articles, and not tenses, articles, prepositions, and infinitives.
Infinities. Okay, ma'am.
once
Sure.
you once you read what prepositions to use where, you will know,
Mm-hmm.
so you won't use in or at the wrong places. So
Okay.
prepositions are basically in, at, on. Yeah, that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So would you like to say something else about your trip to Jaipur? Did you shop there? Buy something from
No,
the
no, I
Jaipur
didn't
market?
shop anything.
You?
Yeah, I just went with my office friend now, so I didn't
Colleagues,
get
yeah.
time to So yeah, there are some friends they shop there, but
Okay.
I didn't.
So, where do you want to go next? Anything in your bucket list or
Yes,
any
yes. So
place in your
now,
mind that you want to
yes,
visit
yes,
now?
yes. So my next trip would be Vaishno Devi.